Peace to the gang. Alright, look, check this out. Today I'm finna show y'all a step-by-step process y'all can utilize, or beginners can utilize, to like get into the Forex market, to begin trading. Like what you gotta do, like how your mindset gotta be to like begin this shit. Alright, look, check this out. So the first step is, like all great said, when you learn something new, study the terms, define the terms. What does Forex mean? You feel what I'm saying? The foreign exchange market. Type that shit on Google, it's easy. What does Forex mean? Boom, okay. Then, okay, what are my requirements? How do I go about getting into the Forex market? You dig what I'm saying? I gotta understand what a broker is. Do you dig what I'm saying? I gotta understand, you dig what I'm saying, how to create a crypto wallet so I can withdraw and deposit money into the Forex brokerage. You feel me? You gotta understand these pre-requirements before you dig what I'm saying, you wanna like dive into it. So yeah, that's the first step you wanna take when it comes to getting into the market. Now, after you make that first step, the first step is defining the terms. You dig what I'm saying? What does Forex mean? You dig what I'm saying? What is a stop loss target? What's all that? That's the first step. Then step two. Alright, so look, step two is you wanna like begin to like find different sources or different websites you can go to study these terms, to learn the fundamentals of the market. And one website that I recommend is a website known as Baby Pips. If you go on Google, type in babypips.com. You dig what I'm saying? It's a website that basically teaches beginners, intermediate traders, advanced traders, you dig what I'm saying, the fundamentals of the Forex market, how to trade the Forex market, different type of strategies, how the indicators work and stuff like that, best brokers, all that. So go to babypips.com. That's a real good website where you can learn the fundamentals. Second thing, if you were type of like a visual type learner that learns the best like off videos and shit like that, type it in on YouTube. You dig what I'm saying? Like you feel me? Like type in like, what is Forex? How do I get into Forex? You feel me? Like it's simple. Man, this shit's simple as fuck. You feel me? Just type that shit in. Like, it ain't been an easier time in human history where information is as easily accessible as it is now. You feel what I'm saying? If you want to learn about something, if you want to teach yourself about something, you have Google, you have YouTube, flat out. All right, so after you get done studying the fundamentals, you go through the course on Baby Pips. You done all the research you can to learn about the, you dig what I'm saying, the Forex strategy. You watch my Forex strategy video to learn a good strategy you can use to make consistent profits in the market. After you done all that, open up a demo account in a good brokerage that you prefer. You dig what I'm saying? I personally use a brokerage called Athens Market. You dig what I'm saying? I like that broker because they offer a wide range of benefits, from commission free to, you dig what I'm saying, all kind of different benefits. Low spreads. But after you do that, open a demo account. Once you open up a demo account, back test my strategy. Back test it. Learn how to utilize it. Learn, you dig what I'm saying, how to use it based off yourself, based off, you dig what I'm saying, your attributes, your temperaments, and things of that nature. You feel me? So yeah, back test that shit, and once you get a feel for that, then you wanna transition to, you feel me, transition only when you feel comfortable, you dig what I'm saying, only when you feel comfortable with your trading strategy, with your trading plan. That's when you want to transition to like to live markets, to trading live and stuff. And when you trade live, only start with an amount that you feel comfortable with losing. You dig what I'm saying? Like I recommend like starting off with like $300 and you can flip that easily to 1,000 consistently every single day with the strategy I provided to you guys. You feel me? And if you try to like put money into the market that you can't afford to lose, especially when it's your first time trading, it's a high probability you're gonna lose that money that you cannot afford to lose, and you don't want to do that. So when you first started, especially when you first started, always trade with an amount that you is willing to lose, that you can afford to lose, because trust and believe me, you gonna lose in this market. You feel me? It's inevitable. It's part of the game. You dig what I'm saying? You'll learn that if you go through the Baby Pips course. If you watch my strategy video, flat out. You dig what I'm saying? I'm talking about when you get into this market and you figure this shit out. This is an income for you for life. You gonna forever have money. It ain't no close in the Forex market. You feel me? This shit ain't going nowhere for the as long as we live, man. We got a lifelong recession-free fucking way of making money. That's Forex for you. Forex, they said Forex generates $5 trillion daily, nigga. That's bank. And if you ain't participating in the market like that, nigga, I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, man, this market, this shit work wonders. But when you get into it, and when you finally like getting the hang of that shit, you see, me personally, I trade the indices. You dig what I'm saying? And if I was to tell like somebody like how to like go about getting into it and like the first assets to begin trading, I would tell them to start off with the SPX 500. Because with the SPX 500, it's not as volatile as the other, or quick as the other indices. You dig what I'm saying? It's very good for like people that's starting out in trading. You dig? And then when you finally like get the gist, that's when you can trade like other indices like the NAS 100, the US 30, type shit like that. And then you dig what I'm saying? You gonna make money real quickly because the indices is tremendous. You feel me? I swear to God, the best assets to trade in the market are indices. You feel me? Because they have a very like high range, meaning they move a lot of pips in one day. You dig what I'm saying? Say for example, like currencies. Take the pound USD for example. The pound USD would probably move like what, about 50 to 150 pips in a day. The indices will move 150 minimum to like 500 plus pips daily. You feel me? SPX 500, US 30. The indices is where the money is, man. If you talking about making money consistently, indices. And I recommend when y'all start to get the hang of it, start trading the NAS 100 and the US 30. But for now, just trade the SPX 500 since y'all just started, since y'all just beginning. Yeah, man. Forex is where the money is, 5 trillion daily. Get the hang of this, man, you're gonna be rich for life. Rich for life. Ain't never going broke. Flat out. Alright then, man, that'll be all. Thank y'all for tuning in to the video. Like, subscribe. You dig what I'm saying? Comment down below to let a nigga know what he can do to improve the video type shit. And you already know how it go. Peace of the gang.